Hi, this is the ALCATEL 1B 2022 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the home and lock screen section. Tap to wallpapers. Here you could use the Google Gallery or just default wallpapers from your device or photos from your device gallery. Just select one from the photos, tap to allow. Here you could set it on lock screen or home screen. Just select the lock screen, tap to done on the right down corner, and that's it. Let's just check. As you could see, we just successfully changed our wallpaper. So also we got one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to wallpapers, and by the same way select one from the wallpapers, tap to done. This is the home screen, sorry. Just don't forget to select the lock screen, tap to done, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.